Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for those who are new, I'm Spirit Bascos, your teacher in dressmaking and tailoring here on YouTube. And for today's lesson, I'm going to show you on how to sew a top with laces on the above bust and with 5 inches or 4 inches ruffles. So let's get started. Now the first thing to do is to put these two and the lace together, then put the other part also for the back. This is the tool. I have to wrap the edge. This is the neckline. Now you are going to measure this one for the ruffles. It is 46. So the circumference of the circle must be 46 also. This one is the material, and I'm going to cut these ruffles for, it's like 46 for the size of the circumference, and the radius of this one is 7 1/4. This one is already double folded, so I need to fold it one more to make it 4 folds. So I have to measure this one if there is 7 1/4, like this. So it's enough. So I have to measure 7 1/4 for the radius. Then 5 inches for the outer mark. I have to cut it exactly on the mark. Okay, there. Then this part, I need to cut it here also. Then stitch it for at least 1/8 allowance. what I'm going to do is to fold the hemline of this ruffles. After stitching the ruffles, I have to attach this lower part of the sleeve on the body. I have to fold the hemline of the sleeve, same with the allowance of the body. Next is to attach this part of the sleeve to the body. Check where is the front and the back. The narrower is the front. I have to adjust ½ inch inward from the side seam. This is the armpit part, like this. Okay, there. I'm going to set this one here. After overlapping the armhole, we're going to divide this into 4. Center of the front and the center of the back. Next is to match this together. There are notches, so you have to match that. So this is the notch for the front. We are going to match that for the other notch there. And here also on the sides. Now I'm going to match this. Okay, so this is the front and it must go there to the front also. There, like this. So you have to match the notches. Now I have to press this. You have to stitch the inner part underneath this ruffles. And it must be stitched there. you have just seen on how to sew this top. Now you can apply it with your projects, and if you want me to tackle or to discuss some topics regarding sewing, then just comment below. Please like and share so that many will reach these tutorials. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching and enjoy learning.